Claude AI account banned. How to appeal and fix disabled accounts. If you just logged into Claude and got hit with a message saying your account has been disabled or suspended, take a deep breath. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly what to do to appeal your ban and the steps that give you the best chance of getting your account back. First, make sure it is actually a ban. Not every lockout means you are banned. Before you panic, check these things. Are you hitting a usage limit message? That is not a ban that resets on its own. Are you getting a login error? Try logging out and back in. Are you using Claude code with an API key? Make sure your environment variable is pointing to the right account and has not gone stale. If none of those apply and you are seeing a clear message that your account has been suspended or disabled, then yes, you need to appeal. Here is what you should never do. Do not create a new account. That violates Anthropic's terms of service and will make your situation worse. Do not try to use a VPN to get around a regional block. Anthropic monitors IP addresses, DNS, WebRTC, and device fingerprints. Using a VPN from an unsupported region is one of the fastest ways to get permanently banned with no refund. Now here is exactly how to appeal. Step 1. Go to the Claude Help Center and find the Safeguards Warnings and Appeals page. There you will find an official appeal form. Fill it out with your account email, a clear and professional description of how you use Claude, and any payment documentation like receipts or invoice numbers. Step 2. If you cannot access the Help Center at all, email support@anthropic.com directly. Include your account email when the ban happened, your payment details, and a polite explanation of your use case. Step 3. You can also email usersafety@anthropic.com for safety-related suspensions. Be professional and factual in your message. Emotional or aggressive language will not help your case. Here is the important thing to understand. The regular Anthropic support team cannot lift bans. Only the trust and safety team reviews and overturns suspensions. When you contact general support, they will direct you to the appeal form. That is normal. Fill it out and wait. Expect to wait anywhere from 3 to 14 business days for a response. Check your email daily, including your spam folder, since Anthropic's automated replies sometimes get filtered. If you have not heard back after 7 days, send one polite follow-up referencing your original submission. Based on community reports, if your ban was a false positive or a billing system error, your chances are much better. If it was a confirmed policy violation, the appeal success rate is unfortunately very low. Now here is my pro tip. If you are a paying subscriber and your ban gets upheld, you may still be entitled to a refund. According to Anthropic's consumer terms of service, if they terminate your subscription without a policy violation on your part, you can request a pro rata refund for the unused portion of your plan. File the refund request separately from the appeal. The appeal goes to the trust and safety team. The refund goes to billing. You can pursue both at the same time and one does not affect the other. When requesting a refund, include your plan type, payment date, the amount charged, and your invoice or receipt number. So to recap. First, confirm it is actually a ban and not a usage limit or login issue. Never create a new account or use a VPN to work around it. Submit your appeal through the official form or email support@anthropic.com with all your account and payment details. Wait up to 2 weeks and follow up politely if needed. And if the ban stands, file a separate refund request through billing. If this video helped you understand the appeal process, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an important update. Drop a comment below and let me know if you have gotten your account back or if you're still waiting. I read every comment. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.